How to make bread. You will need a mixing bowl, a sieve, a spoon, a loaf tin, a wire rack, 500 grams of strong flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of dried yeast, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 300 millilitres of warm water.
Cling film.
Step 1. Sieve the flour, salt and yeast into a bowl. Step 2. Make a well in the centre and add the oil and water. Step 3. Mix all the wet and dry ingredients together to form a dough. Step 4. Knead the dough until it is smooth. This should take about 5 minutes. Step 5. Put the dough into the bowl and cover with cling film. Leave it for about an hour or until it has doubled in size. Turn on the oven to 220 degrees centigrade. Step 6. Knock back the dough and put it into the loaf tin. Step 7. Bake the loaf in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Step 8. Remove the bread from the oven and turn it onto a wire rack to cool before eating.